Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying credentials and syncing options so recovery will stick. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that Contact Sync is enabled in iCloud. Once done, check for a recent iCloud or computer backup so you can restore if needed. If you lack a backup, enable iCloud contacts now and wait a few minutes for initial sync. This initial setup prevents data loss and creates the foundation for the next recovery steps. Now go to iCloud. And sign in with that Apple ID. Navigate to Account Settings and choose Restore Contacts. Pick an archive date from before contacts disappeared. This restores an entire archive and will replace the current contacts list across your devices. Confirm the restore and then return to your device to watch contacts reappear. Syncing can take several minutes depending on size. If you use multiple devices, make sure they're online and connected so the restored archive propagates to each one automatically. Finish by verifying contact integrity across devices and locking in the settings. If iCloud Restore wasn't available, restore your device from a recent Finder or iTunes backup. Follow the restore process and then re-enable Contacts Sync. If some contacts still don't show, toggle Contacts Off and On in iCloud to force a resync, and sign out then back into your Apple ID if needed. If problems persist, check Wi-Fi, wait for sync completion, or reach out to Apple support for account-specific recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.